Well, what do you do when you get your new waffle maker in? You make some brinner. Let's go ahead and make some waffles together. You need a cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a dash of salt, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix them all together. Go ahead and use a hand mixer. It's just a lot easier. And let's go ahead and check out the waffle maker. Now I did get it because I saw somebody make some waffle potatoes and I just had to try it. This one from Dash is very easy to use. It's just a plug in and play. Basically, you plug in and wait for it to warm up. It's going to have 2 lights at the top. You're going to have the red light and you're going to wait until you have the green light on there on for you to start using it. That means that it has warmed up. This waffle maker is actually spill proof. You have some deep bridges on the side so it's not going to spill out, and on top of it you can actually make some waffle sticks on the side or breadsticks, so you can have it for double use. I'm dropping in some waffle mix in there, just kind of spreading it all around because tonight we're going to have some good waffles in it. All you're going to do is close it up and wait about 4 minutes for it to finish. After that time, open it up and check it out. Now they say to add oil or butter or something on the inside so it doesn't stick, but this is non-stick and I didn't add anything and I didn't have a problem with it. The waffle sticks on the side are going to need a little extra time than the rest, but you can see here that this thing is coming out deliciously. It could have taken an extra minute for the inside the middle to finish up, but they were actually pretty cooked. Nice and crispy, just the way I like it. Just add some butter on them afterwards if you want a little extra butter and some syrup, and these are going to be absolutely delicious. Now cleaning it is quite simple. The plates don't come out, but wet a paper towel, drop the paper towel in there and leave it in there for about an hour. It's going to come out clean. If you need to wipe down anything, wipe down afterwards, but go ahead and tell me these don't look so good right now. They were absolutely delicious.